Good morning, student. Today I am going to start my seventh lecture for class 10 for subject chemistry. In the last video classes, I was taught about the preparation and uses of bleaching powder and common salt. Today I am going to talk about the preparation and uses of plaster of Paris. Now, the common name of first of all, you will write the common name. Common name. The common name of plaster of Paris is plaster of Paris. The chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, and the chemical formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O. Common name plaster of Paris. Chemical name calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Chemical formula CaSO4 half H2O. The common name of plaster of Paris is plaster of Paris. The chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. The chemical formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O. Now preparation. How plaster of Paris is prepared? When gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin or 100 degrees Celsius, then plaster of Paris is obtained. जब जिप्सम को 373 केल्विन तक हम लोग गर्म करते हैं तो प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस की प्राप्ति होती है. When gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin plaster of Paris is obtained. CaSO4 twice H2O 373 Kelvin. CaSO4 half H2O plus 3/2 H2O. When gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin, then plaster of Paris is obtained. Here CaSO4 twice H2O at 373 Kelvin, CaSO4 half H2O and 3/2 H2O. Here CaSO4 half H2O is our plaster of Paris. Now what are their uses? First, it is used by the osteologist, or we can say that the doctor, for to set the fractured bone. The first use is that it is used by the osteologist, or we can say that the doctor, to set the fractured bone. It is used by doctor to set fractured bone. Fractured bone. First. Second, it is used by the dentist. It is used by the dentist for making artificial teeth. It is used by dentist for preparing artificial teeth. Third use is that it is used for making surface smooth. The fourth use is that it is used for making toy and decoration. The fifth use of plaster of Paris is that it is used for making electrical, it is used for making many electrical equipment like base of heater, KitKat, etc. The fourth, caustic soda. Caustic soda. Chemical formula NaOH. The common name of caustic soda is caustic soda. The chemical name of caustic soda is potassium hydroxide, and the chemical formula of caustic soda is NaOH. Common name. Caustic soda. Caustic soda. Chemical name sodium hydroxide. Chemical formula NaOH. The common name of caustic soda is sodium hydroxide. The chemical name of caustic soda is sodium hydroxide, and the chemical formula of caustic soda is NaOH. So how caustic soda is prepared? Preparation. When electric current passes through the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Chlorine gas is given off at the anode, and hydrogen gas is given off at the cathode. And also aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide is deposited at cathode. Here the aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called brine. एग्जाम में कभी कभी क्वेश्चन पूछता है कि व्हाट इज ब्राइन, ब्राइन किसे कहते हैं? तो सोडियम क्लोराइड का जो जलीय विलयन होता है, aqueous solution होता है, उसी को हम लोग ब्राइन कहते हैं. तो व्हेन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट passes through aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes to give sodium hydroxide. Chlorine is given off at anode and hydrogen is given off at the cathode, and aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide is also collected near the cathode. NaCl aqueous H2O liquid NaOH plus Cl2 gas plus H2 gas. Uses. sodium hydroxide, or we can say that caustic soda, is used in the manufacture in soap and detergent. It is used in manufacture of soap and detergent. Second, it is used in the manufacture of paper industry. It is used in paper industry. Third, it is used in degreasing of metal. It is used in degreasing of metals. Third use of caustic soda is it is used in degreasing of metal, and the last use of caustic soda is it is used in the manufacture of artificial textile fiber. Now thank you. धन्यवाद.